Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CF Baba. In this session, I will going to cover about Veeam Backup and Replication. Before starting the session, I will give you some overview about what is the purpose of Veeam, why do we require Veeam. Veeam, you can say Veeam is a very powerful tool in tech infrastructure, which is used to take a backup, which is used to the application, which is used to schedule schedule file server backup. The benefit of Veeam backup and replication, we can schedule the share folder backup, we can schedule the replication backup, we can schedule the Veeam virtual machine backup, we can schedule the cloud backup, even we can schedule the on-premises server backup, even we can schedule the failover cluster. You can say you can say about Veeam is a complete package of tech infrastructure. Even we can use in DR, disaster recovery, for Veeam. So I will give you complete session about Veeam backup and replication. First, I will give you how to take a backup of file server. This is my Veeam backup and replication, and I'm using a Veeam backup and replication tool. So first I will going to so the process and step. First, what to do, and so I will going to take a backup of file server. So go to first I will going to create a repository. How can I create a repository? Just click on backup infrastructure, then click on backup repository. Here is the option here, add repository. Just click to add repository, and here is the option network storage, network attached storage. Just click over here. So I will going to take a backup of file server. So I will going to create a backup repository. So I will going to here and will go to, suppose here I will create a new shared folder. So backup files v. Okay, press enter, right click, go to properties, go to share, go to advanced, click to share. For now, it's depend on you. You can assign the permission as you required. So no, for now, I will give for its testing purpose. I will use for everyone. Okay, and click to apply, click to OK, and click to close. And otherwise, if you don't want to, if you want to give the access to a specific user, right click, give to give access to specific user. So I will share my name like this. Click, click on read write, and again administrator. Click on give the read write option. Click on done. So here this is the backup repository file which I have created. So I will use this network storage. So copy this, click to OK, go to again SMB. So I'm going to select the SMB storage, click on SMB. So here you need to type the name. So I will type the name like file server backup. And here you can type file server backup. And click to next. Here you need to type, press the share folder drive. So I have pressed the shared folder drive. Okay, click to next. If you want, give the credential, because I'm using same shared folder, same server, so I don't need. If you are not using, you can type here the you can use here share folder drive and give the credential like this here. And you need to add the credential like same. I will going to then further click to next. The storage point size, click to next again. Veeam backup and replication repository, backup repository, mount. where you want to on. Click leave at is it default. Click to next. Click to apply. So here I have created one repository. You can check over here one repository is created. Once one repository is creating, I will going to create schedule. I will going to schedule file server backup. So now click to next and click to finish. So first job is my job is completed. So again now you will go to on inventory task. Okay. Now what I will going to do? I will going to take a file server backup. So here is the in inventory list, inventory menu. You can check over here inventory. There is a multiple option. Okay. So I will going to click on share file share. Right click on file share. Click to add file share. Which option you are going to select? I will going to select SMB share. Just click on SMB share. Location of file directory, which directory you are taking the backup. Backup here. Select this. So I am going to take the freehold backup shared folder. Just paste it. Click to add the. Click to add. Type the user. I will going to type my user. So click to OK and click to next. And a backup repository you need to select. Which repository have you created now? You need to check the file server backup. File server backup you have selected. Just click on file server backup. Click to apply. Now we are creating a new file share for backup. Click to next. Click to finish. What I have done? I have created a repository server. So first I have created a repository. Then I have selected the which server we are going to take a backup. So you can check over here, this server I have added the backup. So right click over here, click to here, I am going to create a new job. This job will be scheduled like click to new job. So I will here file server backup bkp kp bkp file. Click to next. High priority, it depend on your file. Click to next. Which share folder? I am going to take a share folder of this. Click to next and default repository. Default, which is the default repository? I have created a file server. Just again click to file server. Click to next and this archive repository leave as it is default. Click to next. Here I am going to schedule a back. This is will be incremental backup. Whatever changes will be applied. Click to run automatic. Click to here on these days. Which days you wanted to. If you wanted to do every day, you can schedule. Otherwise, you can select the days like Monday, Tuesday, or leave it at is, and you can change the time. Suppose I will going to select the 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. whatever you want. Click to apply, and now you click to finish. First, I have created a what I have done. First, I have created a backup repository. Then I have created a share folder destination. Then I have scheduled a back. This is the process to take a backup of file folder backup. Like go to the jobs. These are the job. Which job I have created? You can check over here. This time I have 19/5, 2025, 8 p.m. I have created a job. If you want to start the backup, just click to start. Starting scheduling process. Incremental file server backup will be start. Now I will jump on the. So friend, this is the first method to take the file server backup. So again, I will going to take a backup of my complete virtual machine. So how do I take a complete virtual machine backup? So I will again go to my share folder. This is the my share. Inside the share folder, whatever you want, you can create. Suppose for testing purpose, I am creating one schedule backup for here. New create backup like virtual machine backup. I'm taking VM1. I am just giving example name VM1. This is the VM1. Right click, go to properties, sharing, copy this link, click to OK and minimize. So now again I am going to create a one repository for virtual machine replication job. So how can I take a replication job? Again you need to create a repository, click to add repository, click to again network attached storage, NAS, click to SMB, now Veeam one replication. Okay, click to replication, replication, click to next, paste the share folder location, click to next, click to next again, mount server which will be the server will be the backup repository will be default, no need to change anything, just again click to next, click to apply, review and apply. So here I am creating one inventory backup repository infrastructure when I'm creating one backup repository infrastructure for replication job. Click next, summary, click to finish. So here again I have created, you can check over here. Here you can check I have created a one Veeam one replication job. So timing is this replication job I have created. So now what is the next step? So again go to the inventory, click to inventory. Now what I will going to do? Now I am taking a backup of virtual machine. So click on virtual machine, VMware, click on virtual machine. If you wanted to add a server, you can add a server like this. Whatever server, suppose if you are using VMware, if you are using Microsoft Hyper-V, you can use, or if you are using like a Oracle, you can also use. If you are using Red Hat virtualization, you can also use. So here I will going to select VMware vSphere. vSphere, I will going for vSphere, not for cloud. Just click on and type the IP. Suppose I will going to, because I have already added, you need to type the, I will show you like this. Suppose here I am typing, click to next. Here you need to add the credential. So click to OK and click to apply. Once you will click to apply, your vSphere where virtual machine server will be added, because my virtual machine server is already added. No need to do anything, just click to cancel. So what I will going to do, I will create a replication job. So click to replication job, create virtual machine. You need to select the virtual machine, click to virtual machine, which virtual machine you are going to select. So I am just giving a random name VM1 VM1 application. Just click to next. If your virtual machine, if your machine is very important, and highly priority, you can check box, you can select the checkbox and otherwise leave it as is. Click to next. So here you need to select the virtual machine. So click to add virtual machine. Here these are the my server, so I will going to expand it. Which virtual machine I am going to take? Suppose I will going to take a Zabbix. Click to select the Zabbix. Click to add. So I have selected the one monitoring virtual machine. Click to next. And here the main thing, you need to having two virtual machine, because it will replicate one virtual machine to other virtual machine. So here I am deploying here I am deploying this monitoring tools to another VSPR server, virtual machine server. If you want to same server, you can also use. So better to replicate to another server. Click the server. Now you need to go to the next step. Virtual machine is selected. Now what will be my destination? Which server I am going to select? Click to next and expand the server again. So I will going to use in in this server. It will be automatic replicate, create a new virtual machine onto that server. Click to OK. And here is the option will be resource Veeam, will be Veeam. And the storage point I am having free space like this. Click to next. Click to next and default. If you want default, you can use default. If you wanted to create, so I already have created for replication. I will show you Veeam 1 which I have created. Here I need to search Veeam replication. You can check over here Veeam replication which I have selected. Click to Veeam replication. Now click to next. Now again you need to click to next and guest process leave as it is default. Click to next and run the job. Here you need to again schedule the job on weekdays. If you want every day you can use, otherwise weekday on this day, suppose 8 p.m., 9 p.m., whatever you want on these days. If you want every day or if you want daily on these days, you can choose like this. So I will go select 2, 3 days, 4 days and 5 days like this. So rest 2 days I have selected. Okay, click to OK, click to next, click to finish. So here I have created a one replication, virtual replicated. Duplicate virtual machine will be duplicated to the that server, the which I have selected. So here I will show you here. New replication job is creating created here. Veeam, you can check. Veeam 1 is created. So in other tasks, you can check successfully done. So this time I have created a Veeam replication job. If I wanted to start, just click to start. Once you will have created you, I will show you here. Once you will click to start, the application job will be start. This is the replication job is going on. It will check the complete virtual machines and this will be start. Take like that. Go to again, you need to go to again in backend infrastructure. Again, you need to take create a repository. Like the same process you need to follow. First, I have created a file server backup. Then I have created the replication backup. Now, so friends, let's check the status of my replication job. You can check over here my replication job is started. Application and you will get a new virtual machine. Your replica job is completed. Now we are going to fail over cluster, say like that. Click to failover, click to VMware, vSphere, plan, VM3, whatever you want. Click to next, click to add your virtual machine. You can add from infrastructure, you can add from replica. So I will going to select from replica. Which replica I have created? VM1 I have created. Click to add. And this application job already finished. So click to apply. And here summary, you can click to finish. So this is the easiest way to create a failover. If your machine is done, you can there will be no any kind of downtime. So now this is the complete. I have covered the three. First, I have created a file share. Second, I have created a replication. Third, I have created a failover. Now I will going to jump on now I will going to jump on here is the multiple option. Now I will going to give you some overview about how can you take a on-premises backup and cloud backup from Veeam backup and replication. So here the virtual machine we have already done, and file server we already have done. From Windows Server, from direct from Windows Server you can take a backup. If there is no any virtual machine, you can take same thing you can do on Linux computer, same thing you can do on Mac, even Unix application job. You can also use Oracle, SAP, MongoDB, whatever you want. Here the file share, and here's the option Microsoft tenant. You can use Microsoft tenant. So friend, this is the complete overview about Veeam backup and replication. So friend, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.